Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lot. This is my very first video for this channel. So please be forgiving, especially on some French words that I for sure cannot pronounce properly or correctly later on. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of my first ever luxury handbag. So if you are someone who loves watching unboxing videos just like me, please keep on watching. For those of you who know me, you know that I love bags a lot, but I haven't really invested on a luxury handbag before. I would rather spend my money on a good jewelry piece. So the bags that I have been using in the past and even up to these days are more on the contemporary ones such as Furla, Coach, Ralph Lauren, and middle of last year I also purchased a backpack, a Tumi backpack, which I ordered from an online shop in Germany, and it's basically the one that I have been using in the past months. Anyway, as I've mentioned earlier, today I'm going to do an unboxing video and I hope you will like it. And enough with this long introduction. Let's get right into the unboxing. So, here's the bag. I got this one last week and I did not unbox this one yet because I really wanted to do this unboxing video together with you, but I only had a chance to do this today. So I have been planning to buy an LV since middle of last year, and I was planning to purchase it in December as a Christmas gift for myself, but I bought something else. So this one that I bought was not really the one I was eyeing for last year. I was interested on the Speedy Bandolier 25 in Damier Ebene canvas, but I was a bit hesitant about it because it's a bit big and bulky and it's not a structured bag. I was looking for something very structured and kind of an everyday bag. So basically something smaller where I just put my everyday essentials. Okay, so before I placed my order, you guys can't imagine how many unboxing and review videos I watch on YouTube. And I'm glad I did that because it led me to this bag that I believe fits my personality and lifestyle best. So we have here the receipt. The receipt from LV. Now let's take the box out of this paper bag. It comes in this very sturdy box from Louis Vuitton with this iconic blue ribbon. Okay, so now let's unbox this one. So the box is very sturdy, as you can see. It comes with a magnetic closure. Ta-da! So this is the bag. I got myself a Louis Vuitton ALMA BB in the Damier Ebene print. After watching a lot of reviews on YouTube, it was not difficult for me to decide that this is the one I should purchase. There are just so many good reviews and impressions about this bag, and I really like small and structured bags. I was looking for something that I can use as an everyday bag, at the same time, one that I can use in special occasions. And I know that this one, I can use it in both. So if I want to use it casually, I can use the strap and have it on one shoulder or as a crossbody bag. And if I want to use it in formal events or parties, I can use it like this. I mean, I can just hold it like this or like this. This bag is just so classy and elegant. It's so gorgeous, like so gorgeous, and the leather smells so good. Anyway, yeah, so as I've mentioned, the print is in this beautiful Damier Ebene with treated leather. So the leather here on the, and also here on the handles, this is treated leather. This used to be glossy and now it's matte. So for ALMA BB, I like this print better, and I think it makes the bag even more versatile because of how neutral the print is. The one in monogram canvas, it uses the vachetta leather on the handle and on the bottom of the bag. And patina develops through time as a result of wear, which means that the leather here on the handles, here on the bottom, will darken, depends on the way how the bag is handled. Now let me inspect first if it has some defects, scratches or wrinkling on the leather.
2,000 years later.
So I inspected everything and so far it's flawless. I know for a fact that ALMA BB is not notorious for defects or damages unlike Pochette Métis. So I saw that this one is made in France and I'm very happy about it because I really emphasized to the sales associate that I want a made in France, and this one is made in France. I hope you can see it. Yeah, so this one is made in France. This is a pretty small bag because this is the BB size. It's 9.8 inches in width, 7.5 inches in height, and 4.7 inches in depth. This bag also comes in PM, MM, and GM sizes. So as you can see, this bag comes in gold hardware, which I like very much because I'm into gold colors. And it has like 4 protective studs on the bottom, which protects the leather on this part of the bag. So I like this feature a lot. This one has curvy handles, of course, and it has double zip opening that helps the bag open wider. Yeah, so it's important to check if the zippers glide smoothly because there are cases of wonky zippers and we don't want to have that. But so far for this bag, the zippers are perfect. So now let's take a look inside. So this is how the bag looks inside. I hope you can see it. It has a very nice and soft red microfiber lining for its interior, with a main storage compartment and an additional patch pocket on the side, wherein you can, this one here, wherein you can put cards or some IDs, anything small and thin basically. So this is how the bag looks like on the inside. It looks very nice. I like the red microfiber lining. Now let's put on the strap. So this bag comes with a strap. It's very thin and it's non-adjustable. And it can either be very long or very short, depends on the body height and size. So I am 5'4", and I'm sure that if I use this strap, the bag will sit perfectly somewhere on my hip bone or a little bit below my hip bone, which is just, perfect for me. Now let's put on the strap. So you have here 2 rings, one on this side and the other is on the opposite side. So we hook the strap here and the other one on the opposite metal ring. Yeah, so this is how the bag looks like with a strap on it. Yeah, so now let's take a look what else we have here inside. So there's a small paper which says what material this bag is made of. There's this very, I don't know, like mini dust bag. I think this is a mini dust bag. Let's see what it contains. Okay, so it's the lock and the keys for the bag. So this is the lock. As you can see, there's this iconic LV logo embossed on it. It looks very pretty. And these are the keys. Let's see if this one functions. It's perfect. So usually the keys are placed somewhere inside this part of the bag, so you can just use it anytime. Yeah, but I don't think I'm gonna be using the keys because I'm not going to use the lock for sure. But yeah, just for you to see how it looks like with the lock on. This is how the bag looks like with the lock on it. Looks very gorgeous. It's like an additional accessory. But I don't think I'm gonna use this lock because it's such a hassle every time you want to get something from your bag and you have to open it every now and then. It's such a hassle for me. So I don't think I'm gonna use the lock. Or maybe I can just like have it on one zipper like this. Yeah, just to have an additional accessory. But I'm not going to lock it. So this is the Louis Vuitton ALMA BB in Damier Ebene print. For you out there who are also eyeing for this bag, I got this bag for around 1,130 euros. So I was not able to get a tax refund because I did not go to the store when I ordered this one, but I also did not place the order online. So I contacted directly Louis Vuitton in Bucharest, and one sales associate was like assigned to me, and this SA sent me a link on my email where I can pay in full before they place the order because this bag was not on stock in their store at that time. So the bag arrived to their store after 4 working days from France, and the moment it arrived, the SA sent it to my address, and it arrived immediately the next morning, so that fast. So that's it guys for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope in the future it will help you decide whether to get an ALMA BB or not for your first luxury handbag. But for sure, I highly recommend you this bag. It's such a gorgeous bag. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you again for watching, and I will really appreciate it if you will hit the subscribe button down below. And yeah, thank you. See you in my next video. Bye!
Anything